you know, walking helps improve blood circulation, reduces the risk of heart disease, strengthens bones, joints, and muscles, relieves insomnia, gives longevity, and several other health benefits. So, walking is very important to all of us, especially those who live a sedentary lifestyle where we used to sit for long hours. I know it feels like the benefits of walking are known to most of us. But due to our busy schedules, how many of us make ourselves to actually walk every day? I know that we usually give a miss to the activity that are important to maintain our own health, and walking is one of those activities. And generally, about 30 minutes walk or physical activity or like 5,000 steps a day is a good option to maintain our health and longevity. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some of the ideas or habits that I have recently started following in my daily life to make myself walk more often and to stay fit. If you are also interested to know those tips, make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's begin. So the first one is make a separate schedule for your walk. So as a general rule, you can make a rule to walk at least 30 minutes for about like 5,000 steps every day. Why is it important to make a schedule or to have a separate schedule for walking? Is that because when you add some activity to your schedule, it is more likely, like you're more likely, or there are more chances that you will complete that. And the same is true with walking as well, walking or exercise as well. So make your walk schedule today. Then come to the second habit, which is get a buddy to walk with you. So it would be a very good idea to take someone with you for a walk. It could be a family member, your spouse, a friend, or even a pet. So this way, not only you but your near and dear ones will also be feel motivated to walk, and you can even do it over the phone with your friend, and you both can decide to walk at the same time and for about like 5 to 10 minutes at a stretch, and then count your steps, and later you can update your status as to how many steps you were able to walk in how many minutes actually. So you can do it daily. You can update these things daily. Then coming to the third habit, which is install a walking app. So there are several free walking apps available in the Play Store that you can download and start using for your benefits. So these apps will be helpful to remind you to take a short walk, especially during the daytime while you're working. And usually we work at a stretch in one place, sitting in one place for long hours, and which is not at all a healthy habit. So a walking app will help you to remember to take a short walk after every hour you spend sitting in one place, and you can just take a short walk for about like 5 minutes, and then you can go back to your work again. And these apps will also help you count your steps and to know that how many steps were you actually able to walk throughout the day. Map My Walk, Virtual Walk, Fitbit, and Pedometer are some of the walking apps that you can download and start using, and most of them have a free basic version. Then come to the fourth habit, which is walk just after you wake up and just before going to the bed. So make it a habit. You can make it a habit to take about 5 to 10 minutes of walk, and just after you wake up in the morning and at night before going to the bed. So the morning walk will help you to boost your energy, while a walk at night before going to the bed will help you to get better sleep. So make sure that you have at least 5 to 10 minutes for walk in the morning as well as at night. So in the morning you can do it like probably just after you wake up, and at night before going to the bed. So these were some of the habits that can help you and will motivate you to walk more often to stay fit. And as a general goal, aim for at least like 30 minutes of physical activity or 5,000 steps a day. If you can't set aside that much time, try doing it in multiple short schedules of activity throughout the day. So any amount of activity is always better than doing none at all. And even with small amounts of physical activity will work and will provide you health benefits. And always keep a note that it is okay to start slowly, especially for those who haven't been exercising or walking regularly. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.